Antimatter is one of the most exotic creations in the universe. It is, in fact, the mirror image of ordinary matter. There exists an antiparticle of atomic matter for every particle, identical in mass, but opposite in electric charge. Just for instance, the antiparticle that corresponds to the electron is identified as the positron, and it has a positive charge, rather than an opposing charge. The reason why antimatter is so interesting is because when it encounters matter, they together with an explosion of energy. This process releases vast amounts of energy, so much, in fact, that antimatter has been postulated as a potential future energy source or even means of spacecraft propulsion. That antimatter is extremely rare in the universe as we know it. In fact, researchers believe that at the time of the Big Bang, equal amounts of matter and antimatter were produced, but there was a slight predominance of matter over antimatter for some reason. This imbalance is one of the last great unsolved mysteries in physics. While antimatter is very difficult, heck, awesomely dang near impossible to produce and store, this research could unlock new revelations of how the universe started, as well as give birth to some game-changing tech. One day, might antimatter allow for spacecraft fuel or even reveal new species of energy? You can do so much with this.